Are we shooting for a middle or no? Not today. We got pollywogs under there.
I'm gonna have to crawl that hole pretty soon.
Well, this is good enough to work under on each end. In the middle it goes up after we got a pier.
Yeah, now
Jack
this
it up.
looks like this, pretty
Get
much
the
a
leg
block.
once you
So
got a pier pool.
I'd say we run some lines and get close to a certain point next round.
I'm coming over.
You know, put them all up at a certain level, and it's like, okay, now you can start. Do something with it.
Where's Hal?
What? Didn't you need to drag that out?
No? You need the help. Undo it.
Okay.
What did you do? Just come down thud? Or you
No,
just
go put the clip up. Put the clip up now.
come here.
Take these blocks.
Come here.
Come here, because I can't understand the words you're saying. Let
Gotta
it
go
go.
up one.
Up, go down on it. Yeah, go ahead, right there. Okay.
Up, slow, Hal. Up, Hal. Faster, faster.
Is that thing coming out?
Gotta take these blocks out of it.
Yeah, they'll be floating away. We gotta stack them up top.
Well, let's get let's get the next set of goals.
Almost got my finger.
So sight that beam, Russell. Is that beam
Straight?
sag in the middle?
The middle one does.
Oh, that next
I
one.
mean, it's lower than these two.
It's not bad. I mean, as far as straight wise, you know.
I'm just thinking it might want to go up, you know, a couple inches to match that one, to match this one, to match something. To get a line through here.
So we got another beam in the truck. Do we need it somewhere here?
How's the front one?
Hey, chimney down and a beam in already.
That's holding things up.
Yeah.
I'll just leave the whole thing.
Cleaned out.
That's the one that's home that's on the ground still? I think so. Where would we put the
Probably
next
help all
one? We
the
don't
places
need it
in.
anymore. How does that
Yeah.
sound?
Holding the upstairs up.
Now, what are you gonna do? Are you gonna run a cable under this beam to hold the?
Run it up to the second floor, probably, you know, put about 4 level. And then just bring 1, 2, 3 cables across.
152.
One here, one here, and one here at these beams, at these cross members. Suck the whole thing together.
Excellent, excellent. You need me to sign it?
I'm rock climbing, guys.
Yeah.
I'm rock climbing.
I don't think I know all of it anymore.
So you happy today?
Yeah.
Finally?
It's happening.
Yeah, this certainly is a breakthrough worth memorializing.
They let us out. Water's coming in.
No, that's why we really need to get this out of here.
Hello.
Daniel, go get a barrel.
All right.
Barrel.
May 5th, 2012.
This has been here for 100 years. How's that holding back the bank? I go, this has been like this for
Joe.
on 2x6.
Is it gonna be 6 inches or what? Who's making it? Markham?
Don't know. We have to ask Jim. They had to put the bid out first. I don't know if Daddy did stuff.
Oh, right.
Sure.
I know that they
Yeah, in the 70s there was two shacks where the boat ramp is now, and one was moved away in 74 to Coggeshall Road, and the other one in 78 washed across the Cove and ended up on Doobie Street.